Yeah, g'day guys, welcome. Today's episode, we're going to be learning how to start a bushfire. I'm Savage Gavin, this is Savage Gavin's Outdoors. Now, starting a bushfire, it's all about pacing. You know, you don't want to burn yourself out, so there's many methods. It's very simple to start a fire without any necessary lighters or matches. You can do it with many methods. You can do the rubbing sticks. I'm going to give you the demonstration, but I'm just doing a itemized run through now. So the rubbing of sticks, you see it on Survivor, the whittling of sticks. You got the rock spark. And then last but not least, you got the stick rock combo. That one's a bit more advanced. Look, we're going to be going through it a little bit, not too deeply though. I don't want to confuse you guys by getting too technical on today's episode. Right, so first of all, you're going to want to clear the ground to make the fire upon and make sure it's dry, okay? And secondly, you want some nice, dry, combustible tinder to get the fire going. Not the tinder app, this tinder. Right, so you need 2 hot sticks, so we're going to go rummaging for them now. Oh, here's a couple of good hot sticks. We found these will do the job perfectly. Now, it's very important to stay hydrated in these bushfire adventures, so, cheers, I guess, because if you dry out, you'll be the human raisin, and you don't want that because you die. So just stay hydrated, keep your water canteen, your bladder, your bottle. I don't discriminate against water carrying devices. So we just... Oh, I went down the wrong hole. Oh, that's all right though, we still got plenty left for later. All right, so we've got our 2 hot sticks now. And in the movies, they're wrong. Hollywood's been lying once again. Surprised? I'm not. They tell you to get a plank and then rub it, or get a bow and arrow and do the bowstring. And where are you going to get one of them in the bush? You can't. There's no sawn up 2x4s, mate. You got to do the natural rub. All right. So you cross your sticks much like this, and what you have to do, you rub one way and the other way. That way it distributes the heat and heats the whole stick. By the time it's ready to go on, mate, you'll have a bushfire in no time. So I'm just gonna speed this up and do it a bit quicker than normal. So go this way. All right, it's getting hot now. Oh, I need some sunglasses almost. There's so many UV rays coming off these hot sticks. Oh, so hot. All right, so now we've got the 2 rock method, okay? So it's essentially like, striking one up, but right now we're striking it down into the fire. So we've got 2 very high quality rocks found out here in the bush, and what we're gonna do is just, you hear that? That's the sound of success. We're gonna strike the success on our nice dry combustible tinder, like the app. Nearly got it now. It's getting very, very close. I can see the heat. I'm starting to see the heat. Very close to it now. Now there's a reason this method is third, because it's preferred. So you need to get your rock. You need to get your very hot stick. You slam the rock down very close to the tinder, and then you grind your stick up on the rock. All right. This is the preferred third. Remember that. Look, when you're in the bush, your instincts are going to kick in. You might forget adrenaline, brain dump. You're going to forget things. So you need to get the mantra, third preferred. Third preferred. Repeat after me. Third preferred. All right, it's coming along good. Can you guys see that smoke from there? All right, guys, we're able to get the bushfire going. You know, I'm starting to get a bit hungry. You know, smell of smoke. You know, the instincts of human nature are kicking in. I'm pretty right to eat now. We've just got to hunt, and then we've got to cook the bush chook. And remember, for that authentic bush taste, you need an authentic bushfire. Now remember, guys, when it comes to fire, don't get it on ya. Savage Gavin out.